Hey everyone, and welcome back. Your ActiveCampaign automation isn't working. Let me show you the most common reasons. First, check if contacts are entering at all. Automations aren't retroactive. If you created the automation after contacts already met the trigger, they won't be added. Second, verify your automation is active. Look for the active status in the top right corner. Third, check email send conditions. Contacts marked unsubscribed or bounced will skip email actions entirely. Fourth, watch for duplicate campaign names. If two campaigns have the same name, your if slash then conditions may reference the wrong one. Fifth, check your if slash then logic and means all conditions must be true, or means only one needs to be true. Sixth, verify your email connection. Go to Deals Connected emails. If it shows stopped or synced error, reconnect it. For Zapier users, custom field errors often mean the data format doesn't match the field type. And that's it. Check these 6 issues first, and you'll likely find the fix. If you solved your automation problem, let me know what the issue was in the comments. See you in the next one.